आरिफ भाई चलिए आप आराम से तेरा आराम से
6th floor, lift रुकवाओ।
चलो चलिए आप लोग सब आराम से आराम से
Can I use the restroom?
गेट खोल दो चलो आगे चलो भैया आराम से
थोड़ा तेज चलते रहो प्लीज।
चलो भाई अंदर चलो यार फिर गिर जाओगे आप। चलो भाई साइड चलो
अपने कॉलेज टाइम की बात करें और आज के कॉलेज टाइम में क्या डिफरेंस फील करते हैं आप? हेलो हाउ आर यू ऑल? हेलो 7 हाँ जी किधर हो तुसी सारे? आप लोग सब अलग अलग जगह से होंगे ना? All over the country or somewhere from abroad also? So what would be the best way of speaking? English, Hindi, Punjabi, ये तो जाना है। मैं आया यहाँ पहली बार आ रहा हूँ। मॉडर्नाइज है ये यूनिवर्सिटी और आते ही मैं तो थोड़ा सा बोला है भाई हमारे वक्त में इस तरह की कोई चीज़ें थी नहीं। We were basically everything was so basic. So you are the privileged one where everything is available to you all, and I hope you'll take a great opportunity of this and excel in your different subjects, whichever you are taking, and I wish you all the best. मेरे बारे में मैं कुछ कहूँ तो बस यही कहूँगा कि मैं पढ़ाई में थोड़ा सा पीछे ही था, लेकिन उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ। But आप हमारे लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हैं सही से। Right, pretty much coming to you.
Wonderful to be here today. जब हम आए, I had asked them what is cut-off percent, and I was told 85%. So I guess you're all the brainy ones here. So and congratulations for being here. क्योंकि जब हम ऊपर आए, we saw the building, and as he said, everything looks amazing. So I hope you guys make the best out of your time here. I guess this mic is going in and out, so I'm just happy to be here and very happy to see you all.
जब ये मूवी आई आपके स्क्रिप्ट ये कॉन्सेप्ट आया तो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहली चीज क्या है कि क्या करना है इसका मतलब कैसे करना है? देखिए जब फिल्म आई थी मेरे पास ये सब्जेक्ट आया था तब से मैं चाहता था कि ये फिल्म बने जी। बहुत ही गहरा सब्जेक्ट है, ये प्ले के ऊपर है, जिन्हें लॉ नहीं देखे वो जमने राइट। एंड राज संतोषी हम लोगों ने ढेर सारी फिल्में की हैं, 3 फिल्में की हैं जी। ऑल द 3 ऑफ द फिल्म्स सब अलग अलग तरह की थी एंड आप लोगों को सब आप लोगों ने शायद देखी हूँ या नहीं देखी हूँ। पहली थी घायल, फिर दामिनी एंड फिर घातक। अब हमारी ये बंटवारा है जी 47 राइट। एंड ही इज अ ग्रेट डायरेक्टर एंड somehow we get the best out of each other. Wow, that's good.
क्या बात है, women are the ultimate multitaskers.
Right.
It's when I started working, that was a necessity, obviously, because it's good to work. But now I'm enjoying the best phase of my life, that is being a mother. So kids अभी थोड़े छोटे हैं, but when I heard the script, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई because I really like that this film, you know, there are always going to be bad times in life, good times and bad times. But whenever there are bad times, it's very important not to lose hope.
True.
And this film is about hope. So when you see it, and it's about a family, and it's about a man and his family, that is that light in the darkest of times. So I really like that. And of course it's a little lesson in history also कि उस वक्त क्या हुआ था, कैसे लोग रहते थे, क्या वक्त था वो, और कितना संघर्ष किया हमारी फैमिली की वीडियो ने. So it's a very nice look into those times in that life.
बस काम करना था, लेकिन इनका मिशन भी काम था, फिर ऐसा ऐसा शायद IPL आ गया.
Alright, तो इतने सालों बाद जो काम किया, डेफिनेटली बेहतर हुएंगे क्या? As an actor, as a person, क्या चेंजेस आपने देखे और आपने?
मैंने
जी.
I just think he's beautiful to work with.
Right.
हाँ, more anger. Oh, sorry, more younger. Yeah. So yes, all of that, and it's always a pleasure to work with him. So I was very excited.
Right.
हाँ, और मजाल है कुछ बुरा बोल दूँ ये भाई के नाम.
Because of my image and he being my son, so वो बहुत relevant हो जाता है. And जैसे I'm known for action, तो फिर वहीं छापा लगा हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से अभी मैंने एक नया डायलॉग सोचा था कि बेटा तो ये बोल रहा कि तुम्हें, मैं मतलब कोई मेरे को पूछेगा तू कौन है, मैं तो मेरे बेटे से पूछ रहा कौन है.
जो इस मूवी में आपको मतलब आपके साथ रहेगी, anything on that part?
I don't know if I can say any favorite dialogue.
Right.
A lot of favorite dialogues are here. But this is one of those films that is going to be, for me, in my career, very memorable, very relevant. And आप देखिए, I don't want to say anything much, but this whole film, I'm very, very happy and I'm very grateful to be part of it. Because when you look back at history and you look back, there are certain films you look at and you say, oh, I'm so glad I was part of this. So this is one of those films.
Karan sir also part of this film. So how was your experience and how you see like your family legacy continues through him?
When you work like I had an opportunity when we did films from dad, my brother, and that makes the kind of a जब पिक्चर कर रहे होते हैं तो उसके अंदर कैरेक्टर से बहुत रेलिवेंट और रियल हो जाते हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली मैं सन इस फिल्म में हम दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, तो बाप को डर लगता है कि बेटा ठीक कर रहा है कि गलत नहीं करेगा. और बेटे को होता है कि पापा खड़े हैं, तो मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस रहता ही है because this is how we've been brought up. But when you get into your profession and when you are an actor, उस वक्त हम actually सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं because we have to do justice to what we are doing over there. तो ये सब चीज़ें निकल जाती हैं. But it has been a great journey. It has been a great experience with my son, and I'm very sure from this film he will take off.
कल ने घर पे रिहर्सल की, लंच खाते हुए तो मेरे बाप को नहीं जाता.
बेसिकली तू तो जानती है कि शूटिंग के बाद राज संतोषी हमारी इतनी रिहर्सल करवा देता था कि उसके बाद एनर्जी नहीं बचती थी कि घर जाके कुछ करें.
Never like, you know, was he nervous? Did he ever say कि Papa let's rehearse?
No, he wasn't. He wasn't because he's gone through the. I mean, he has been. He started off from Pul Pul, then he did one film Bailey, and unfortunately none of the films worked. The things were not there. So I can understand a child of, and I know many kids all around, you know, because it's a very tough world out there. ये बच्चे लोग भी सब पढ़ रहे हैं, बाहर जाके when you have to pick up a job and get a job, and then to excel over there. बिकॉज लड़ाई पढ़ाई तक नहीं होती, लड़ाई गेटिंग अ थिंग वहाँ तक नहीं होती, उसके बाद उसको लेके जाना इज अपहिल टास्क एंड my heart bleeds out for every youngster who is doing his best and waiting for the right moment to be. So I think I just wish everybody all the best.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. So,
Hi.
I have a question for you. So, was there any scene in this movie you felt emotionally connected to, and it was all emotion, not just you're playing character, totally emotional? जब हमने फिल्म स्टार्ट की, the first day of my shoot was my most difficult scene, and then after that there was a scene जब हम यहाँ रेलवे स्टेशन पे होते हैं and we have to go take the train and what happened? Was everyone laughing?
कुछ आपस में
Okay. So वो ट्रेन का जो सीन था, when we went there to shoot, my kids were with me and I obviously they didn't come on the shoot, and I have 4-year-old twins. So जब हम शूट करने गए, राजी ने सब लोगों को बोला कि उसको धक्का मारना, पुश करना, because in reality वैसे ही हुआ था, you know, everybody was running for their lives. There was no excuse me, थोड़ा, you know, कृपया आप लाइन में रहिए and all that kind of stuff. So जब हम वहाँ गए and everybody started pushing me and I had my daughter with me जिनका मैंने हाथ पकड़ा था, I had a wave of panic and I really felt like how did women survive all this, especially जिनके छोटे बच्चे थे, if somebody needs to go to the bathroom, somebody needs a diaper, that it was so tough those days and that situation and that panic of not knowing क्या होने वाला है. और इस फिल्म में जब हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे और लोगों ने भी बोला कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे थे, उन्हें पता नहीं था कि क्या होने वाला, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा सामान लिया एंड दे सेड अच्छा चलो अभी चले जाते हैं, 1 हफ्ते के बाद वापस आ जाएंगे. Nobody, the violence will subside. Nobody realized that what this really was. You know, today there's so much awareness. तब आपके 10 मीटर घर के बाहर क्या हो रहा है वही पता होता था, उसके आगे पता नहीं था, you know. So these kind of things were very, very stressful, and also I felt so grateful कि we are born here in this country and what a wonderful country we have, and kitne sacrifices have happened, and that appreciation and gratitude I felt, but also the panic of oh my God. And none of you will feel this, but the minute you have children, you then realize for the first time that you feel fear, and the fear is not for yourself, but fear if something happened to me or my kids, what will I do? So yes, I hope it wasn't so serious, but the shot is ready. I was like, yes, I'm ready. You're God, and then at some point you forget that you're filming, you know, and everybody was pushing me, and as a person, I don't like people pushing me, so I like some space and all, but you forget all that. Right. It was so stressful, and suddenly I just panicked. So when you see that sequence that we are going in the train, I don't think it was so much acting, it was a lot of reacting and panic, which was real.
So as you have been the Sunny Deol of the industry for a decade, and now that you're working with your son, it must have been very overwhelming, as you just mentioned. So was there any moment on the set that Karan really surprised you as an actor?
Surprised me. You see, क्या होता है, I have a lot of belief in him because I've seen him and I know कि किस तरह का बेटा है मेरा, and he needed a right subject, a right character to bring out his talent, and I think this is a film where he's representing you all. Child of that time was 18 or 17, and he along with his party, with his family, had to leave his home and celebration and go from there. And he went through all the sacrifices, seeing the deaths, seeing separation, seeing everything. At that age, you don't understand. You're just getting shocked with everything. And the turmoil the ball goes through, and then when he comes and what all happens over there, and how it changes a person, you know. Suddenly, you, from one end to another end, your childhood goes away, you become mature. You know, so I think he's done a good job. I mean, as a father, I do think he has done a good job.
He's done a very good job.
So Karan is just like a you, or उनका थोड़ा different nature
ahead?
Shyness goes in our family. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's just that's the way we are, and just the way we have grown up, and somehow the things filter down to me, and from me it's filtered down to my kids.
We love you, sir. We love
Thank
you
you.
so
Love
much.
you. Love you.